Hello friends, today I am introducing my pet Australian red wiggler. Technical name Eisenia fetida. Please show viewers, this is red wiggler and you can see it, beautiful wigglers, and you can also see this is an egg of red wiggler. This name is cocoon. Okay, you can see in the sunlight, beautiful sunlight, you can see the red wigglers. See this. This is a cocoon. See this. This is an empty cocoon. It means it's hatched. Okay. It likes dark, moist, and cool temperature like 21 degrees Celsius. It is commercially used for making vermicompost, and this is a treasure for farmers and gardeners, especially for farmers because they help to make your soil fertilized. Okay, hope you like the video. We will publish second part for making compost bin soon. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.